Hi, my name is Cora Zambrano, and I want to welcome you to the demo of CredenZ. Over the years, I demoed many large credentialing management systems that are currently on the market. What I found was that they were extremely expensive, required long-term contracts, and came with lengthy training times. These platforms weren't something you could just sign up for and start using right away. And for many practices, they simply weren't affordable. Although those systems were complex and thorough, I knew there had to be a better way. I wanted to create something affordable, easy to use, and built to eliminate the need of multiple folders and spreadsheets. Does this sound familiar? That's exactly why CredenZ was created. CredenZ was built by me, a biller and credentialer for billers and credentialers. We're proud to say it's made right here in the USA, and from day one, security has been my top priority. All data within the system is protected by advanced safeguards, so you can have peace of mind knowing provider and practice information is safe. One of the biggest challenges in credentialing is the constant tracking applications, licenses, liability insurance, payer rosters, expiration dates. It's overwhelming and time consuming. Not only that, but creating and maintaining provider rosters for payers is just a pain point for so many of us. CredenZ takes all of these challenges and puts them into a streamlined, cloud-based system that works for practices both big and small. It keeps everything organized, reduces errors, and saves valuable time, making credentialing work feel manageable. Let's take a look inside CredenZ so you can see exactly how it works. Here's the CredenZ dashboard. This is your control center. Clean, simple, and intuitive. From here, you can navigate to the provider directory, task manager, credentialing manager, or the user management area. In the provider directory section, this is where all the details of your providers are stored securely in one place. You'll notice how easy it is to view, update, and manage everything without digging through endless spreadsheets or files. Next, we have our task manager. We understand staying on top of expiration dates is critical. CredenZ makes it easy to track licenses, professional liability insurances, re-credentialing dates, and CAQH reattestation dates. So you'll always know what's coming due. No more scrambling to renew last minute. Everything is right here, visible and manageable. On top of that, you can easily assign tasks internally or externally by sending emails requesting updates directly from providers. This includes things like asking a provider to upload a renewed license or provide a new copy of their liability insurance so you always stay current. Next up is the credentialing manager. Here is the credentialing manager section. You can log each step of the credentialing process, assign effective dates, make notes, and update progress as you go. It's a living timeline that keeps you and your team on the same page at all times. And to make it even easier, you can sort by provider or by organization to narrow the information being shown. That way, you're always working with the exact view you need. And for those dreaded practice rosters, you can quickly sort by a practice and generate a clean, accurate roster for payers. What normally takes a lot of manual work can now be done within minutes. We've set up CredenZ to be set up in two flexible ways to work for your practice or billing service. The first option is that we allow you to invite providers directly to the platform so they can securely enter their own personal information. The second option is your staff can manually add providers, perfect for teams that want to stay hands-on. Both options make onboarding simple and adaptable to your practice's needs. As you can see, CredenZ is more than just software. It's a solution created by someone who's been in your shoes and understands the challenges you face every day. Whether you're a solo practice or a large group, CredenZ helps you stay organized, secure, and efficient. Thank you for watching this demo. I invite you to explore CredenZ for yourself. With CredenZ, credentialing doesn't have to be complicated anymore.